Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a 16 into 16 WLED display. But this display is audio reactive, means you can play sound and it will create effect on the display. So first of all you have to make the body part. So I have used 3D printer to make it. You can make uh, by your own. I have used ESP32 here and INMP 441 microphone, because INMP 441 is much more accurate. So you can use 16 into 16 LED matrix, but here I have used phone number of 8 into 8 LED matrix RGB, because if you purchase a 16 into 16 matrix it will cost you around 1600 rupees, but to make it with the help of 8 into 8 it will cost about 600 rupees only for phone numbers. So you can see here friend, I have used phone number of 8 into 8 matrix. So you have to make the translucent display with the help of 3D printer, or you can use tracing paper also. So I have also built the back part. So I will provide a fan for cooling, because when a lot of program will run and lot of LED will glow continuously, a heating effect will create and it will basically damage your ESP chip. So I will recommend to provide a cooling fan with switch, because during the time of audio deactive this fan sound may affect, so you have to put it off. So friend, you can see the build part is almost completed. So now comes the setting part. You have to set LED preferences in WLED. So data is GPIO2 for LED. Now you have to set the 2D configurations. As I have used 4 number of panels, so number of panel must be 4, and I have set the 4 number of panel as shown in the video. So in user mode you have to activate audio reactive, enable it, and the setting is AST32, WS25 and SCK is 33, gain is 60 and switch is 6. So turn on the limiter and save it. So without proper setting it will not work properly. So friend, you can see, so this is audio reactive. So the installation part has already been shown in the previous video. So thank you friend, please subscribe my channel.